In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get the best Proflowers discount promo codes in 2024. This is pretty simple, so let's jump right into it. First of all, go to your web browser and right here you'll have to search for Proflowers discount promo code. Right here, go to this website which is called Retail Me Not and open it. And as you can see right here, we have a list with some promo codes and deals that we can use to get a discount. For example, if you want to get this one at 50% off site-wide, all you need to do is select show codes from right here, and this is the promo code. You can copy the promo code from here and you can apply this one on your next purchase in order to get the 15% discount. Also, we have this website which is called couponfollow.com. And as you can see right here, we also have some promo codes that you can use to get a discount. For example, if you want to get this one with up to 15% of your next order, all you need to do right here is select show coupon code. And this is the promo code. You can copy this one from right here and you can apply this one on your next purchase in order to get the 15% discount. So this is all for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.